Show chrome.
In this video today, guys, we will be discussing the install of the passenger floorboard kit and the commander boards. All right. We have some special guests in the building. I needed some help for this video because this is about safety and comfortability when you're riding on the back of a Can-Am Ryker. All right. We got some guests in the studio here today. She's going to show us told, don't lie to people, give her eyes a big. All right, now, these ladies have never ridden on a bike before, right? Have you ever ridden on one of these?
No.
Okay, just imagine this bike is riding. Just imagine this bike is riding 200 miles an hour and you're on the back, okay? All right, now, on the back.
Show chrome.
All right, so sit on, right? Okay. Now, ladies, here's a tip. When you ride on the back of the bike, you want to put your arms underneath the person like this. So just imagine you're riding. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now, how's the footrest landing? What do you think?
It's comfortable.
It's comfortable? Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's check the other ones. Let's compare.
Show chrome.
Okay, so the difference is that you got a lot more
Footrest.
yeah, more area to put your foot.
Show chrome.
Versus just one little line, right?
Yeah.
All right, then we got the backrest here. How's that feel on the back?
Show chrome. Good.
Good.
Ain't gonna fall off.
Okay. How to use it. So, floorboards, they flip up and down. All right, for the install video, all you gotta do is put 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. For being in the video, I appreciate it. Say something to the people.
God bless. Stay safe. Show chrome.